Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. I'm Money and Mo, and in this video, I'll reveal why starting a side hustle might not be the path to riches you've been hoping for. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. In this eye-opening video, we debunk the myth that starting a side hustle is the key to financial success. We explore the pitfalls and limitations of side hustles and offer alternative strategies that can truly help you build wealth. Don't miss this opportunity to gain a fresh perspective on achieving financial freedom. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable content. 1. Side hustles, a popular trend. Side hustles have become quite popular in recent years. People are drawn to the idea of making extra money outside of their regular jobs. But are side hustles really the golden ticket to becoming rich? Let's find out. Side hustles can certainly generate additional income, but it's important to understand their limitations. Most side hustles are part-time ventures that require a significant amount of time and effort without promising substantial financial rewards. 2. The time versus money dilemma. One major drawback of side hustles is the trade-off between time and money. While side hustles can bring in extra cash, they often demand a significant investment of your time. This can lead to burnout and hinder your ability to focus on other wealth-building opportunities. Instead of spreading yourself thin with a side hustle, consider dedicating your time and energy to alternative strategies that offer a higher return on investment. 3. Investing for passive income. If you truly want to build wealth, you need to focus on creating passive income streams. Investing in assets like stocks, real estate, or even starting a business can provide long-term financial stability and freedom. By strategically allocating your resources and building assets that generate passive income, you can escape the time for money trap and enjoy the benefits of wealth accumulation. 4. The power of education and skills. Another crucial aspect of wealth creation is continuous education and skill development. By investing in yourself, you can increase your earning potential and open doors to lucrative opportunities. Rather than solely relying on a side hustle, invest in learning new skills, acquiring knowledge, and building a strong foundation for your financial journey. 5. Building a sustainable business. If entrepreneurship is your passion, starting a sustainable business might be a better choice than a side hustle. Building a scalable and profitable enterprise can offer long-term financial rewards and fulfillment. Focus on creating a business model that solves a problem or fulfills a need in the market. By providing value to customers and scaling your operations, you have a higher chance of achieving true wealth and financial independence. And that wraps up our video on why starting a side hustle won't make you rich. Remember, it's important to look beyond the hype and consider alternative strategies that align with your long-term financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on wealth creation and financial success. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for financial greatness. Take care.